Did you know there used to be a beach in Turkey exclusively for the use of women? Welcome to Ladies Beach in Kusadasi, Turkey. This stunning beach, known as Kandila Denizi in Turkish, is one of the most popular spots in the region. Let's check out this drone video of the beach and dive into its rich history and what makes it a fascinating destination. Ladies Beach is located in Kusadasi, a vibrant town with plenty to explore, including historical sites, local markets and scenic points, offering panoramic views of the Aegean Sea and Kusadasi Harbour. The beach has a unique history dating back to the Ottoman period, when it was exclusively reserved for women. You see, back in the day, the whole area used to be a vast olive orchard. There, women picked olives, and when they got too hot from the glistening Mediterranean sun, they would go to the sea to cool down. For years, it would only be women using this beach. In the 1950s, this changed after a woman came to the beach with her husband and kids. After a huge shock, everyone eventually started using the beach. While the name stayed as Ladies Beach, it remained open to everyone ever since. Stretching about 1 kilometer, this sandy beach provides ample space for visitors to relax and soak up the sun, and is perfect for sunbathing, swimming and enjoying water sports. The beach is a certified blue flag beach, meaning it meets high environmental and quality standards. What about the promenade? The promenade above the beach is lined with palm trees, vibrant cafes and restaurants. It's a bustling area where you can enjoy a leisurely stroll, grab a bite or shop for souvenirs. It does get busy in summer and during the day, so as usual I came by early in the morning to shoot this drone video. Whether you are here to relax or take a dip in the beach, or just explore the local shops and eateries, Ladies Beach has something for everyone. And while you are in Kusadasi, don't forget to visit nearby attractions, including Pigeon Island, Kusadasi Marina, and even a drive down to Ephesus Archaeological Museum. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Ladies Beach, which no longer is exclusively for the ladies. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drone adventures. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.